Good morning, my name is Gurudal. I teach maths and science for 8th, 9th and 10th standard students. So today I am teaching class 10 CBSE NCERT. Chapter is coordinate geometry. So page number for your reference 109. So I am doing one worked example, which is I am writing the question to make it easy for you. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection that is points divided, that is points divided in 3 equal parts. Of the line segment joining the points A 2, minus 2 and B minus 7. Well, very easy question, not so complicated. So this is based on section formula. So find the coordinates of the points of the trisection, that is points dividing in 3 equal parts of the line segment joining the points A and B. So I just write a rough sketch of this coordinates. So this is 2 comma minus 2 and this is point B. I am considering minus 7 comma 4. So I read the question again. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Trisection means the line segment AB is divided into 3 equal parts. So then I take this point as P and then this point as Q. Then 3 equal parts. AB is divided into 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. Now, if you look at the ratio, AP, I can say, how do I find the coordinates of point P? See, point P is dividing line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. One part is to 2 parts. And point Q is dividing the line segment AB into 2 parts, 1 part, 2:1 ratio. That is, you can write AP is to PB, AP is to PB is equal to 1:2 and AQ is to QB is equal to 2:1. Okay. Now I use section formula to find the coordinates of point P and Q. Before doing that, I consider this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now apply section formula. So in order to find coordinates of point PQ, I consider P of x comma y equals, so section formula goes like this: mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n comma m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So we know this ratio is m is to n, right? So m is 1 and n is 2, and we know x1 y1 and x2 y2. I have considered the coordinates of point A as x1 y1 and coordinates of point B as x2 y2. I just substitute the values of x1 y1 and m and n in the following equation. which comes out to be the value of m is 1 into x2 is minus 7 plus n is 2, coordinates of x is x1 is 2 divided by m plus n is 1 plus 2, comma m y2, m is 1, y2 is 4 plus n is 2, y1 is minus 2 all divided by m plus n is 1 plus 2 equal to, so plus into minus, minus 1 into 7, 7 plus into plus, plus 2 goes on 4 divided by 1 plus 2 is 3, comma plus into plus, plus 1 4 is 4 plus into minus, minus 2 goes on 4 divided by 1 plus 2 is 3, which comes out to be, now take the sign of the largest number, subtract and take the sign of the largest number, minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3 divided by 3, comma 4 minus 4 is 0 by 3. So the coordinates of point P are 1 that is minus 1 comma 0, this is minus 1 comma 0. Please look at the board very carefully. We have a very simple equation and section formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So we know m and n are in the ratio of p divides line segment AB in the ratio 1:2, that's why we have taken m is to n as 1:2. So substitute the values of m and x1 y1 by x2 y2, m is 1, x2 is minus 7 plus n is 2, x1 is 2, m is 1, y2 is 4, n is 2, y1 is minus 2, m plus n is 1 plus 2, m plus n is 1 plus 2. 1 into minus 7, minus 7, 2 2s are 4, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 4s are 4, plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4 by 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 7 plus 4, take the sign of the larger number, minus 3 by 3, 0 by 3, 0. So 1s are, minus 1, 0 is the coordinates of point P. So next part is we have to find the coordinates of point Q. So I use the same section formula but interchange the ratio because the point Q divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. Now this is m, this is m. Apply the same section formula and substitute the values in the equation. This becomes Q. Is 2 into x2 is minus 7 plus n is 1, x1 is 2, m plus n is 2 plus 1, comma m is 2, y2 is 4 plus n is 1, y1 is minus 2, m plus n is plus into minus minus, 2 7s are 14, plus into plus plus, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, comma 2 4s are 8, plus into minus minus, 1 2s are 2, divided by 2 plus 1 is 3, which is equal to, again take the sign of the larger number, subtract, when you have two numbers with opposite signs, you subtract and take the sign of the larger number. So minus 14 plus 2 is minus 1 by 3, comma 6 minus 2, 6 by 2, 1s are, 4s are, 1s are, 2s are. So coordinates of point Q are minus 4 and plus 2, minus 4. Okay, so we got the coordinates of point P is minus 1 comma 0 and coordinates of point Q is minus 4 comma 2, minus 4 comma 2, and that's the solution. Thank you.